On this special episode of Life at 8 Knots, we say bon voyage to our dear friend Tess, who was moving home to the Netherlands, but not without a proper send-off first. Spend a day with us at Bonaire's beautiful national park and watch all the fun unfold. Hop on board to experience Life at 8 Knots, Bonaire style.
Find the fish.
We're fishing, not catching, yet.
Girls are hanging out. Both of these took teamwork to bring home.
So none of these are poisonous. This one. It's this one. And this one. And all of these. That's the nicest fish.
Grieve is a beer of choice in the USVI, you know.
Almost made it in your cup. Cheers. Should we measure how big that one was?
Do it.
Oh, look at you. That's how they should come with no skin on them. Nice shirt.
36er. So they're bigger. They
1 foot.
I think 42 is like the
One
record.
Subway sandwich.
Come on, Shell. It's not bad. Just I did hit the bottom though. I'm glad I did dive. No big deal. You got it.
You're that girl.
1, 2, 3, jump! Woo! Oh. Hey! All right, backflip.
Like to thank you, welcome you.
All right, I'll give you some tips. So,
Yeah.
some tips. No, I ain't doing it. Don't push out at a 45-degree angle as hard as you can.
I need an example.
Well, the best example is if you try it.
All right, give me some tips. Ready? Arms. One, 2, 3.
Oh, not quite. That was a face
That's
plant.
what I'm saying. I don't know when it's actually gonna go. Like, right?
You gotta tuck hard.
You have your best, but I didn't have
I only want to look over backwards.
Yeah!
I can do that. That was a better tucker.
Are you ready at 45 years old? That's my first time.
I didn't see it. Yeah.
Did I stick it all right?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, can you catch me? I'm gonna try
Yeah,
it.
Julia's gonna do it first back.
It's already on.
Is it already on? All right, here we go.
Scary.
Look this
This
way.
is really scary.
Bring your feet in.
Oh my god.
Like this.
Bring your arms back.
All right, here we go.
Ready?
Head over your head. Yep. Backwards. Straight back.
Oh, this is gonna be ugly.
1, 2, 3. And back down. Going backwards like that is hard.
That was brave. It takes a lot of guts to do that, you know.
Go head over that way. Yeah.
Hey, Tess, now you can do that over here. You got the
Same
motion.
thing. You had it.
Yeah, you got it.
So when do I grab my knees? As quickly as possible.
Yes. Ah, that was perfect. Remember the same thing. You can do it.
Come on. What was that? You can do a double. Oh my goodness.
You ready? I'm coming. Here we come. Slagbaai water slide.
Slagbaai.
Slagbaai water slide.
backflipping. Oh, someone lost their noodle.
Hey, Noodle.
Squirrel dive.
Or you want me to take it? Am I taking you?
No,
I'm a rescue diver. My name is your name. Enjoying the experience you had today? I'm just gonna ask you straight up. Okay. Hey.
that's cool. Right?